Anna Brandt here for the Studio Social System. We have 21 now studios. We just launched the Real Studio. And I don't know about you, but I hate writing words on video on my phone. It drives me crazy. Now in the Real Studio, it says tap to add a video clip. But what I'm going to do is take a still, bring it in the Motion Studio, add movement, and then bring it in the Real Studio. So I'm going to go in the Motion Studio. I'm going to choose a photo, and I have this beautiful baby boy that I really like, and there was a time I used to shoot an entire newborn session in black and white. And so let's say if we bring this one in here, I'll center it a little bit, and then I'm simply going to do, let's see, maybe pan down, let's see. Or maybe push in and settle. Let's see. Oh, push in and settle looks good. I like the way that looks. So I'm going to download that. Now, I'm going to then go back to all studios. And I'm going to go to the Real Studio. And I'm going to upload that video I just downloaded. Good. Now I'm going to write something. I'll say there was a time I would shoot the entire newborn session with black and white film. I miss those days. Things seemed simpler. Black and white is always classic, and I still love it. Okay, so now let's slide that text up. You can make it bigger or smaller. I think that works. You can change the color. You can make it left, center, or right. We'll keep it center. Scrim on, scrim off. I think I like this. You see it's a little kind of black box behind it. And let's create the reel. I like it. I like it. And then we download it. And then we just add it to our social. Just add some music. Super simple. I hope you like it as much as I do.